Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add music to your profile on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Edit Profile. After that, you can see the option of music. Tap on it, then select music of your choice. After that, tap on arrow icon. Then tap on tick icon. So this is how you can add music to your profile on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.